Masarap ang dinner. Let's eat, let's eat. Oh, it's drizzling. Okay, see you later, birds. We're going market. Now we're here at the store. I will get some envy apples. And these are a bunches of asparagus. Good to bake. I will get 2 pieces of russet potatoes. And then I have here mushrooms. Ayan, lagay natin sa ating cart. And in there, I also have some carrots. Next, I will be needing green beans. In Philippines, we call this the Baguio beans. What else? Oh, another kind of potato. Just 2 pieces of the red potatoes. And look at this, guys. I think they call this the Black Beauty eggplant. Oh, it's very, very huge. I never tried it yet, but maybe one day. There you go. It's really big. And this one is, of course, watermelon. Next, guys, is a conversation of a Filipina who just approached me inside the store. Let's listen. Kastaan anus, pada latamot. Ay, agawid kay Pilipinas. Ilocano living IA also. Halaba before. So that was a few minutes of conversation. Now I'm back to my groceries. So I will be needing salmon. And guys, these are an example of Hawaiian foods. Oh, by the way, we will be needing some buns for our lunches because we usually eat sandwiches for lunch. Looking around, oh, I need some paper plates. This is for our breakfast. That way, I don't need to wash dishes. Okay, so let's walk because I am looking for something. Oh, there you go, guava jelly for my next recipe. And then I have here cream of mushroom for my pork chops. What else? Oh, I need some corn kernel. So I'm looking for the cheap one, but then of course, hubby grabbed the better one. Okay, so lakad-lakad tayo. What else? I'm thinking, what else do I need? And I saw this one. They get balintawak, pande coco, ube bulilit, and then pandesal. So these are all Filipino goodies. Ayan, lakad-lakad tayo guys. And let's see what else we missed. I think we are good, so we are walking towards the cashier. Ayan na siya. Magbabayad tayo, guys. Hold up na naman ang bulsa. So, eto yung mga pinamili namin. So, we're done with marketing. And later, we will eat lunch. After that, I will be cooking our dinner. So, I might show how I cook our dinner for tonight. So, see you later, guys. Preparing lunch. Mangan tayo. I have miso soup. Oh, still hot. This is, okay. Mayan. Sample. This is the California roll sushi. Put on top the, look at that poke.
It's the big way you go in. These are the small
Yeah.
pieces.
And then the wasabi. Look at that. Naimas. Ono. It's Aloha Friday. There. Mangan tayo karuba. Let's eat. Kain pa tayo. There. So good with big bite. Yeah, rice is cooking. Burburug, inapoy. Cooking time. So, ito po ang dinner namin ngayon. Actually, this is a leftover smoked pork meat. Tingnan natin guys kung anong magagawa natin with this leftover aside from eating plain like this. Are you ready? Umpisahan na po natin. Ito po yung smoked meat. So, yung mga makakapal or thick slices, ipipino ko na lang po or slice in a thin. Parang hindi kasya for 2 persons earlier pero ang dami na siya, oh. Mag-umpisa tayo, butter muna. Melt lang po natin yung butter. Tapos, ilagay natin yung smoked pork. Ang sikreto pala guys, kaya ako naglagay ng butter para mas maging moist yung inside ng meat. Susunod, maglagay tayo ng guava jelly. Ayan. Nasubukan nyo na ba to? First time kong gagawin to. Yan. So, naglagay ako ng 4 teaspoon. Haluin natin para mag-coat yung ating meat. At para mag-melt yung jelly. Mukha siyang masarap. Yan, medyo lutuin natin sa guava jelly. Tapos, lagay natin yung onion. Ayan. At maglagay din tayo ng konti din onion leaves. Ayan. Tapos na. Okay, turn off the stove. Okay na siya. Mabango siya. Amoy ng kapitbahay. At eto yung kanyang guava syrup. Ayan. Hindi po yan oil. Yan po ay galing sa guava jelly. There. Ito yung smoked meat with guava jelly with sweet onion and green onion leaves. Bago ko siya i-serve, dapat sampulan ko muna to. Diba yan ang advantage ng cook? Siyempre, maunang mabubusog. Ito siya guys, look. Lagyan natin ng guava jelly. Naging syrup na siya. Try natin. The smoky taste is inside the meat, and then the outside sweet guava jelly. And then saan ka pa, meron ka pang crunchy onion. I can hear the onion. And this is asparagus. Hubby's recipe, okay? They are very glossy. Olive oil and then garlic salt. Black pepper. Black pepper. Oh, that's my...
Why? We're eating.
Your hand is clean?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Washed it yesterday.
So, it will be cooked in the air fryer. Ito na yung asparagus. So, air fry lang siya. Ayan, lagay natin sa side. Pero dapat equal on both side kasi magrereklamo yung asawa ko pag hindi siya equal. Para no fighting ka, no? Yuhu! Okay, ano na nga ba? Okay. And then 3 more on my side. O sige na nga. 4 sa'yo, so you get more. Just 1. Oh, there. Look at this, guys. Oh, no, dinner. Wow, mukha siyang masarap. And aside from the good food, you have to take your vitamins. How much rice you want? 5 pesos rice? Like, how much rice you like? Like this? 5 pesos? Only rice. Only rice. Okay, you will get again later. You got the jackpot. Okay. How is it? Naimas?
Naimas.
Masarap. We will cook again.
For sure.
Okay. Sa uulitin. Thanks for watching. It's hot. So, we're done eating dinner and I'm done washing the dishes. I'm here at the garden, walking. Hindi pa lumulubog yung araw. So, look guys. Sunflower is coming. But in here, I get small kind already. Oh, so cutie.